Hi everyone, this is Mr. No. Today I will show you one feature in Google which you can use in your business if you are owning a business, or if you want to utilize this function as an end user. I will show that too. So here we know this functionality from Google is not reserved with Google. So it can be used in variety of services like dining, activities, beauty, fitness. So some of you would have noticed like some restaurants have this nice little functionality where you can click on reserve a table and put your information, and using the Google account, it will do the booking for you. So how do you get this for your business? So there are a lot of partners who have done that. So if you see, these are the various companies uh, that have integrated reserve with Google. Now, if you want to do that, you can integrate with Reserve with Google. You can see the developer documentation for that, or you can complete this interest form and view the availability and make bookings directly. So this is that form where you can put in the information. Now, if you want to create on your own, what you can do is you can start by creating a Google business profile for your restaurant or any business that you have. It is absolutely free of cost. You can manage your profile from search and maps. Then once you create that, you can add your menu and other information there. Then you can offer your services. Now within this, you can integrate reserve with Google functionality. As you can see here, here you can add menu, orders, reservation links. Now within that, you could add this functionality of reservation with Google. So once you do that, you will be getting this functionality. Or if you're an end user, you can use this functionality. You can say reserve a table. Now if I say reserve a table, I can say a number of people. Then I can say the date. If it's tomorrow, I can say tomorrow. Then continue with absolute barbecues. Now if I say continue, it will use my Google account to do the booking for me. So that is very useful for me to book a table without even contacting the restaurant, and all this information will be available with them. So I hope this information is useful. Thank you very much.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.